On the 1st of January 2023, during a live Sunday service at Prophetic City of Wonders International Church, Litaine, God's servant, Prophet K.K. Paul Courier, prophesied about floods that will cause destructions in some parts of the country. Let's listen to his exact message.
What is the day today? Please, what is the day today? Please turn the camera to these people. Turn the camera. What is the day today, people? What is the day today? What is the day today?
Verse January 2023.
2020? God said to me to pray against heavy rainfall that will cause flood and destruction in our nation, Kenya. In some places in our nation.
In confirmation of the prophecy, let's look at what happened in some parts of our nation, Kenya.
Let's take a look at the flooding situation in Mombasa County.
Sisi tutafanya biashara namna gani kama hii hali ndio tuko, hatuna kwa kukimbilia, hatuna kwa kuongea, kila mtu ana turn deaf ears. Tuongee na nani? Tulilie nani? Hiyo ndio swali yangu. Hii ni nyumba ya mamilioni ya pesa, ikianguka tutaanza kuambiana nini?
This is a result of waterways being blocked. It's nothing, and the problem is the double application of rules by the licensing agencies when it comes to matters waterways. So what we are asking is simply the government should wake up, apply the rules and regulations as required without favor, so that every other investor will feel safe. Otherwise, already some of the facilities have closed down, some of the clients have been evacuated due to the risk that is being caused by the El Nino.
At least 50 people are reported to have died and properties worth millions of dollars destroyed following heavy rains and flooding in Kenya's coastal region. According to the government, over 80,000 households have been affected. Many have lost virtually everything they had, including their livelihoods, and are struggling to cope.
My goats, my cows, donkeys and chickens have all been washed away by the heavy rains. I have no food, let alone clothes to wear.
4 of the houses here have been washed away, and those still standing are not accessible because they have been submerged.
The Kenyan Red Cross has been working to alleviate problems. It deployed boats to evacuate residents whose houses have been submerged by flood waters. But more help is needed.
We have over 11,000 people affected in Tana River. This number is increasing day by day. That was meant, the 11,000 people are mostly people from Tana North. Now the number is increasing in Tana Delta.
Kenya's coastal authorities laid bare the true extent of the damage and what they can expect with the recovery effort.
It is not an issue of a building, it is an issue of a whole township. We have received zero funding in regards to El Nino.
Relief agencies say they are struggling to access many affected areas as much of the local infrastructure has been destroyed. Meanwhile, officials are also fearful of disease outbreaks with the flood waters damaging sanitation facilities. According to the Kenyan Meteorological Department, the ongoing rains are expected to remain a threat until January. Daniel Arap Moi, CGTN, Nairobi, Kenya.
A true prophet is who he speaks, and come to pass